Hi, in this video, I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of a useful online tool called Product Finder. You can find Product Finder on the Lensa website at the top tab right here. If you click on Product Finder, a new page is going to open up, showing you the 5 main tools on the top. You can see Product Search, CAD Data, Basic Sizing, Torque Speed Characteristics, and Product Change. The first tool that I want to focus on is called Product Search. In Product Search, you can look for the products by typing in the text box right here or clicking on the buttons down below. For the buttons, you can see that we provide controllers, inverters, geared motors, gearboxes, and any other kinds of accessories and software tool that you might need. Clicking on these buttons will narrow down the search results right here. As you can see, if I select geared motors, helical gearbox, 3-phase AC motors, the results would filter down. You can also provide the rated power, output torque, and output speed of the motor to be even more specific in your search. Clicking on the Results button would take you to the Filtered Results page, and you can see all of the available options right here. If you ever need to change any of your options, you can do so on the left column right here. For example, if I want to change this product group from geared motors to inverters instead, I can select inverters, and all of the inverters family would show up. To narrow it down, I can go to Family and select, let's say, the i550 series. Now only the i550 inverters will show up. If you want to reset your search results, you can click on the button right here, and it will take you back to the home page of the product search. Again, you can also search for products you want by typing into the text box and clicking on the related items that pop up. For example, the i550 control unit here. Press Enter or click Search, and on the search results page, you can see that only the i550 control units show up. If you click on the Gear button right here, it will take you to a page for further configurations. So now I can start selecting the options that I want for this product. Now, keep in mind that some products, like gear motors, will have more things to configure. Colors, mounting positions, and shaft sizes, to name a few, some of which I don't have all the answers to yet if I'm in the middle of developing my machine, for example. One useful button on this page is this Fast Forward button. This pre-fills some of those unknown options with the default values so that I can request a quote from Lensa for only the things I currently need. Once I've selected all the options that I need, the tabs here will turn green, and now I can add it to the cart. In your cart page, you can review the items you add and their properties. If you need to change any of the options, you can click on the button here to go back to the configurator for that product. You can also drag the items up and down to arrange their order however you like, as well as insert a line of comment for each item. For example, I can say that this product is for conveyor number 1 of your machine. Once you're finished, you can now input your customer data, insert any additional notes, and then send your offer inquiry to our customer service or tech support group. You can also change the settings here using this tab so you can print out your product's details in the format you like. This button here will create an image of the product specific to your configuration alongside your quote. The next tool is called CAD Data. In CAD Data, you can select the product family that you want a CAD file for. Input the configurations that you want for that product, and then click Visualization. This will take you to a page for further options. Once you've selected them, the CAD drawing will be generated and you can select the format that you would like it to be in. You can have the drawing in 3D or 2D version, JPEG files, or even A-step files that can be imported into CAD programs like SolidWorks. The next tool is called Basic Sizing, and this will allow you to do a quick sizing of basic applications using only minimal application data. For example, you can have a horizontal conveying, a lifting, or a rotating application. From there, you can select what kind of drive concept you want for your system. You can have a direct online motor, a motor with decentralized inverter, or a motor with cabinet inverter. You can input the basic application data here, then select the gearbox type. Click Search, and the basic sizing tool will output the product that will best suit your application needs, as well as the determined requirements to power your systems right here. It's a useful tool to have when you want a quick approximation of what the specifications would be for your product during the initial product design and engineering stage. We also have a tech support group that can work with you to give a more detailed sizing when you have more application data. The next tool is the torque speed characteristics. From here, you can select the mains voltage and input the motor and inverter data. Once you completely provide this information, you will see a speed torque curve appear on the bottom. Last but not least, we have the product change tool. This is a Lensa gearbox migration tool from our old G&G series to the new G500 series. You can select your existing gearbox from the drop-down toolbars, such as the gearbox type, the gearbox series, the ratio, and once all the information is collected, it will give you an alternative option for the G500 gearbox to replace your old gearbox. You will see any difference in dimensions down below, as well as the drawing of the new gearbox itself. For further information on the Product Finder tools, you can click on their respective help links shown here. And that's the end of the quick overview of the Product Finder tools. Thank you for watching.